Vivo X100 series launched in India last month. The flagship series features the Vivo X100 and Vivo X100 Pro. There were about another variant called Vivo X100s, and it's expected to be the high-end model in the series. The phone will be offered in white, black, cyan, and titanium. Vivo X100s is expected to feature MediaTek's most powerful chipset, the Dimensity 9300 Plus combination of new Cortex-X5 and existing Cortex-X4 and Cortex-S7 cores, with up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. The Vivo X100s will have a 1220p flat screen with ultra-narrow bezels, a flat metal frame, and glass on both the front and the back. The Vivo X100s features a 6.78-inch Full HD plus 1.5K resolution AMOLED display. Vivo X100s will feature an optical in-display fingerprint sensor. It has a triple rear camera setup, led by a 50-megapixel Sony IMX663 primary sensor. On the front, it has a 32-megapixel sensor. It houses a 5000 mAh battery with 120W wired fast charging support. Vivo X100s was coming soon. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.